Advisor. Ask your plant a question in plain English and get the answer back from your own production data. This guide covers asking questions and reading the answers, the working behind every number, following a thread and starting a new one, managing what you have asked, and the limits Advisor holds to. Advisor is the part of OEE IntelliSuite you talk to. Ask about production, downtime, OEE, a device, anything in your plant data, and the answer comes from your database, not from a guess. Open it and you get a question box and 4 starter questions for when you do not yet know what to ask. Ask in plain English. No query language, no report builder, no ticket to a data team. Here, a table of every device and the status it is in right now. Give it a moment. It is writing the query, running it read-only against your production database, and building the table into the answer. 1 row per device with the columns it decided you needed. Click any column header to resort it. The table is a live control, not a picture of one. Longer results page 15 rows at a time with the row count and the page you are on in the footer. Above every answer is the trail of tools it used to get there. This is the part that separates Advisor from a chatbot. The answer carries its own working. Open one, and you see exactly what it ran and exactly what came back. Every number in the answer can be traced to the query that produced it. You can keep going in the same thread, and Advisor keeps the context. You do not have to say again what you are looking at. Just ask the next thing. Ask for a picture, and it lands in the thread, not in a separate report. Sorted lowest first, so the machines costing you the most are the ones in front of you. Copy takes the answer with you, ready to paste into a shift report or an email. Bars are not the only shape. Advisor also draws lines, areas, and pies, and picks the one that suits the question. Or you can just ask for the shape you want. Advisor also knows the product itself, not just your numbers. Ask what a Vorney XL is, and the answer comes from built-in product knowledge rather than a query against your data. When the subject changes, new thread starts you clean. Threads take their name from your first question, so the sidebar reads back as a list of what you asked. Each thread has a menu of its own. Rename one to whatever you will recognize later. Archive the ones you are finished with, and they drop into their own section. Out of the way, but still there. Delete asks you to confirm first, then removes the thread for good. Advisor reads your data. It does not change it. Ask it to update a record, and it declines, tells you why, and points you at the place that can, and it never reaches the database to try. The same holds for anything outside your production data. And it comes in light or dark, whichever suits the room you are standing in. That is Advisor. Ask your plant a question in plain language and get a real answer back, built from your own production data, with its working attached.